Good morning, guys. Good morning, my family. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. In today's video, today is Friday. Actually, I want to give you guys the update on our P&L from last week Friday to this week Friday. You get so. I don't want to do this video, but I say, what's the essence of hiding this kind of thing from you guys? Because you guys are my family. You guys love what I do and subscribe to my channel, so I need to give you guys all the details. You understand? All the details concerning my journey and concerning the document I'm doing on YouTube here. So on our screen here, this particular one is our P&L from last week Friday to this week. Although this morning, I don't know if there will be an opportunity for me to take a trade, but I said let me just do the video in case if I don't have chance to do video in the afternoon or evening. So here is our P&L. Okay, this is last 3 months. Then this is, let me just see, last week. You see, these are last week P&L. I think on Friday last week we had a loss, which is 28th March. 28th March we have a loss. Then 31st March, which is Monday, he had a loss. Then I think Tuesday is on Tuesday that we'll have this 0.010 3.36, then 1.88. It's on Tuesday that will take that particular trade. I don't actually remember, but it's on 1st April that will take this particular trade. So I just come on my screen this morning to give you guys an update concerning our account. The account, just as I said in my last video, we have taken the account to $60, but we are down $48. The last video I posted was $43, but I take this particular trade on Tuesday and I cannot be able to set my camera then to update you guys. So we'll take it from 43 point something dollar to $48 now. So we are at $48 from $60 to $48. So you see how the drawdown is. But there is a mistake I do. I know the fault is from me. Yeah, I cannot blame the market because the market is always right. The fault is from me. So I did a mistake, but I'm now but I learned a lot from the mistake. That's what I learned a lot from the mistake. I risked more than what I'm supposed to risk in a day. You get? So my maximum loss for a day is $7.5, but I risk more than $7.5 for that two trades. You understand? For that last Friday and last Monday. You get? That 28th and 31st. I risked more than what I was supposed to risk. I had not risked more than what I was supposed to risk. I suppose they around, they lost for no reach like this. They lost for no reach like this. This is from last week Friday to this week Friday is minus 12.48. Minus 12.48. So if you minus 12.48 from 60 point something dollar, it will give you 48 point something. So that's why we are down 48 point something. That is just all. Then I think the reason, the last trade I took on Tuesday, let me show you guys the last trade I took on Tuesday. Then I'll show you how I entered the trade, what I say before I enter the trade, then how the trade play, and yes, how the trade play and the techniques I use taking that particular trade. So let me show you guys trade history. Okay, trade history is on. Oh, okay, this is it here, but actually I don't have anything on my phone to mark it out, so I'll be using the tools on MT5 to mark it out for you guys. So let me just mark it out. Let me mark it out. Okay, I took this particular trade from here. This 15-minute time frame. I took this particular trade from here, from this particular point, from this point here. As you can see, from this point here, immediately I come on my chart and I see this engulfing candle. The chart come down because of because of the frequent loss that we have been having. I don't want to take the trade, but I wait again. This particular bearish candle form. In this particular one, it form. Then and the market is on a position where I'm supposed to take the trade from. So I wait for this candle to form, this particular candle form, and it form bullish, bullish engulfing. Then I enter the trade from the next from this next candlestick. So as immediately I enter the trade, the market come down, you understand, but my stop loss is around this particular area. The market come down a bit nearly to my stop loss, but starts going up. Merely this particular candlestick close to the resistance level. I closed the 0.03, of which it generates $3. Then I enter, like the trade that I enter is two trades. I enter 0.03, then 0.02, of which I supposed to enter the trade 0.05 of that is the amount, that is the lot size that we are using for the account presently. I supposed to enter 0.05, but I skip, like I enter 0.03 and 0.02. You get, so I first enter 0.03, then wait for the market to retrace back, then enter another 0.02, which is 0.05. So merely the first one, which is 0.03, generate $3. I opt it out. As I opt it out, then I leave the remaining 0.02. The 0.02 generate and generate small. Then I can opt out 0.01, then put the remaining 0.01 on break even. And immediately I put it on break even, the market come down here. Just as you see, it come down here and hit my break even. You get, so since then, the reason why I don't want to take everything out, I've been sensing the market to go to the upside. You get, I've been sensing the market to go to the upside. Then as it hits my break even, it consolidate before this particular move happen. Before this particular move happen. Before this particular move happen to the upside, as you can see, let me just enter 1 hour time frame so that you see it very clear. Yes, before this particular move happen. So I've been sensing this move right from Monday. You get, that is why I've been targeting buy. So I've been sensing the moves right from Monday. All my target was buy, because I know the market is going to take out liquidity before we see another move to the downside. And moreover, from weekly time frame, the market have not yet reached the last resistance level. That is why I'll be targeting buy. Then my strategy works most on buy. You get, that is the reason, that is the second reason my strategy works most on buy. But I will try work on that. You get, I'll try and work on that. So that's the update concerning our account. So the journey of taking $30 to $300 is not easy, but we are still on it. Let's see how far we can go before the middle of the year. Then anything that middle of the year, anything we'll have, then we can just use that one and buy a profit. Then we'll see how far we can go with that profit account. So that will be everything I have. That is everything I have to tell you guys now. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do and subscribe, like the video and comment. Like the video and comment, then share it to anybody you know that this particular content will be helpful. This channel will be helpful, then the person will come and join the family also. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. Just remember, I love you all. Thank you.